Hello friends, today's video will be focused on third country nationals and processing non-immigrant visas through the U.S. consulate in Mexico. All right, let's get into it. So third country nationals, this is a strategy that allows non-citizens to renew their visas in a different country that is not their country of nationality. Let me give you a common scenario. So a common scenario would be a European national that has an E2 visa in his or her passport. And that individual is in the United States. When it gets close to having the period of authorized stay or the visa to be expiring, the individual can choose or opt not to return back to the home country in Europe, but instead go to a third country, and that country would be, in this case that I'm going to give you the example, would be Mexico, which is closer to the United States and not as far going back to a European country. So this is a third country national that is processing and not in his or her home country and not in the United States, but in a third country, which is Mexico in this case. And the reason I'm selecting Mexico is because Mexico explicitly, or they have expressly authorized the ability for third country nationals to process visa renewals in Mexico. Now, one of the requirements to keep in mind is that although a third country national can process a renewal, it is not for a different type of visa. So the only limitation is that we're limited to renewing the same visa category or the same visa class in Mexico. Certainly it can be done. If you're interested, reach out to Verdin lawyers.